If you have never had a credit card, never taken out a loan, and never borrowed money in your life, your credit score is not 0. It simply does not exist yet. And that is a problem, because the financial system in the United States relies heavily on your credit history to make decisions about you. Whether you can rent an apartment, qualify for a car loan, or get approved for a credit card with decent terms, all of it runs through your credit report. So today we are going to walk through exactly how to build credit from zero, step by step, in plain English. Before we get into the steps, let us quickly clarify what we mean by starting from zero. There are two situations this applies to. First, you are a young adult who has simply never had any credit products in your name. Second, you are someone who is new to the United States, and your credit history from your home country does not transfer. In both cases, the approach is the same. You need to create a credit history that bureaus like Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian can actually see and report on. The first and most widely discussed starting point is a secured credit card. A secured card works differently from a regular credit card in one key way. You put down a deposit, typically somewhere between $200 and $500, and that deposit becomes your credit limit. So if you deposit $300, you have a $300 limit. The card issuer takes on very little risk, which is why these cards are available to people with no credit history at all. The critical thing to understand about a secured card is how to use it correctly. The goal is not to spend freely up to your limit. The widely discussed approach is to keep your balance below 30% of your limit at all times, what is known as your credit utilization ratio. So on a $300 limit, you would ideally keep your balance below $90 at any given time. Pay the full balance every single month before the due date. Do not carry a balance. Do not pay interest. Just use the card for small recurring purchases, a streaming subscription, a grocery run, and pay it off in full each month. After 6 to 12 months of responsible use, many secured card issuers will upgrade you to an unsecured card and return your deposit. At that point, you have established a track record. The second widely discussed method for building credit from zero is a credit builder loan. This product is specifically designed for people in your situation. Unlike a normal loan where you receive money up front, a credit builder loan works in reverse. The lender holds the loan amount in a savings account while you make monthly payments. At the end of the loan term, you receive the money. The purpose is not the loan itself. It is the payment history being reported to the credit bureaus every month. Credit unions and community banks commonly offer credit builder loans, and there are also online platforms that have made this product widely accessible in recent years. The loan amounts are typically small, often between $300 and $1,000, and the terms run from 6 to 24 months. The third approach is becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card account. If you have a family member or a close friend with a long, positive credit history and a card with a low utilization rate, being added as an authorized user on that account can give your credit profile a significant boost. The account's history, including its age, payment history, and utilization, can appear on your credit report. You do not even need to use the card or have it in your possession. The benefit comes from being associated with a well-managed account. Now, regardless of which method you use to establish credit, there are two habits that are more important than anything else. Payment history is the single largest factor in your credit score, accounting for approximately 35% of the calculation under widely used scoring models. A single missed payment can stay on your credit report for 7 years and set back your score significantly. So the number one rule is simple: never miss a payment. Set up autopay for at least the minimum payment so that even if you forget, the account stays current. The second habit is keeping your credit utilization low. As we mentioned earlier, staying below 30% of your available credit is the widely discussed target, with some personal finance educators suggesting below 10% for the best results. High utilization signals to lenders that you may be overextended financially, even if you are paying on time. One thing worth knowing is that building credit takes time. There is no shortcut. Most people start to see a usable credit score appear after about 6 months of reported account activity. Getting to a good credit score, generally considered to be above 670, typically takes 1 to 2 years of consistent responsible behavior. Getting to an excellent score above 740 takes longer still, but the habits are the same throughout. It also helps to monitor your credit as you go. Monitoring lets you see what is being reported, catch any errors early, and track your progress. You are entitled to free credit reports from each of the 3 major bureaus, and there are widely used services that let you check your score and monitor for changes without affecting it. A link to a credit monitoring service we have used is in the description below. One thing that is worth clarifying here, checking your own credit score is what is known as a soft inquiry and does not affect your score at all. Hard inquiries, which happen when a lender checks your credit as part of an application, do have a small temporary effect. So avoid applying for multiple credit products at once when you are just starting out. If you want to go deeper on how your credit score is actually calculated, the exact factors and how they are weighted, we have a dedicated video on that which we will link in the description. And if you are looking to repair rather than build from scratch, our video on fixing your credit score covers that journey in detail. To wrap up, building credit from zero is not complicated, but it does require patience and consistency. Start with a secured card or a credit builder loan, keep your utilization low, pay on time every single month, and monitor your progress. Give it 6 to 12 months and you will have a credit profile that opens doors. Give it 2 years and you will have options that were not available to you before. If you found this helpful, subscribe. We cover personal finance topics like this every week in plain English. No jargon, no financial advice, just education. See you in the next one.